Want to make sure you never forget a birthday or anniversary again? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily add birthdays and anniversaries to your iPhone calendar so you never miss a special day. So let's get started. First step, add the birthday to the contact. Open Contact, find out the person that you want to set birthday and anniversary. Tap Edit. Scroll down. Here, you can see Add Birthday option. Right underneath, you can also tap Add Date for anniversary. For me, I'll choose birthday day here. Select the right date for birthday or anniversary. Tap Done. After that, you can see the birthday or anniversary right underneath of numbers. Second step, enable birthday or anniversary option on iPhone. Open Calendar app. Tap Calendars option. Make sure to enable birthdays. Also enable schedules reminders. After that, just to make sure, if I go on the same date for upcoming year, the birthday will be shown on the calendars. Now, next all you need to do, open Setting, scroll down, tap App, find out the Calendar app, scroll down to Sync, make sure to set all events, go back, tap Default Alert Times, tap Birthday. Now select your preferable time that you want to be alerted before the birthday happens. And that's it. Now you'll never forget important dates like birthdays or anniversaries again. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.